Hello everyone. Once again, today in this discussion, we would be discussing more about AI-driven SEO, and our today's concept would be cosine similarity. So the thing is, if you have not already watched our previous video regarding LDA, I would highly recommend watching that before watching the cosine similarity, because both of them are pretty much similar in orientation. Just there is a small shift in focus which makes both of the things a bit different. So the thing is, what is cosine similarity in short? So basically, cosine similarity is nothing but a set of algorithms that runs on information retrieval system which measures the similarity between a set of variables or a set of documents or even a set of phrases. Let me show you by an example. So think this way. Suppose I give you a game to play. Suppose there is two categories where you need to put in the figures. One category is cat and one category is dog. Now suppose if I tell you puppy, your brain would strike that okay, puppy would fall into the dogs category. If I tell you kitty, then your brain would strike that kitty would fall into the cats category. Suppose if I tell meow, then that would also fall into the cats category. Now the thing is how our brain is understanding which set of words would fall into each category. So this understanding of the process is known as word vectors, where by using an acute angle or a cosine theta, the acute angle, which means that the similarity between the set of vectors is identified and understood, and the more the similar a particular query is with respect to a particular category, the higher the percentage of similarity score that is. So in short, if the value of the cosine is lesser, this means that the similarity is higher. If the value of the cosine is greater, that means the similarity is lesser. So this is the main concept of cosine similarity. Now let us understand how this have the implications in the fields of SEO. So if you really want to understand the implications on the fields of SEO, it's a very simple task. Suppose you are optimizing for a set of keywords, maybe XYZ, against your particular landing page. Once again, you need to compute the value of your similarity score between your keywords versus your landing page, and once again you need to compare the values with your competitors, like for same set of keywords what your competitors values are. So there can be two cases. First case, either your similarity value would be greater than your competitors, in which case no actions is needed. The second case, if your similarity is less than your competitors, then you need to once again re-optimize your content by adding in more meaningful keywords, more meaningful synonyms or variations of keywords, and also you might need to use some of the extra modifier keywords. Even though officially LSI keywords are not into the play, various peoples or various SEO experts claims that, but the thing is, it's always a better practice to use synonym keywords because it really increases the intent level, and increasing the intent level can also increase the similarity score, and this is how cosine similarity can be justified. Thanks for watching.